Yeah, Nath Group was established in 1980 by my uncle and my father as a furniture dealer. We were dealing furniture, we were buying furniture from the different suppliers, and then we were selling in the market. We have now about 35 branches in United Arab Emirates, in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and Sharjah and Ajman. We have about 5 different divisions, and we have about 15 lines for different type of furniture actually. We have about 1,500 employees working here in United Arab Emirates and in Turkey. We are producing different type of furniture like home furniture, office furniture, and hospitality furniture, and mattresses. So there are different type of furniture actually. Comforters are also included in those furniture. Our market is in Africa, Middle East, and Russia, and some countries in Europe also. We thought of our own production line, and we talked to Salvagnini. We told them we need this type of furniture. They gave us the solution to make it faster and easier. The benefits of Salvagnini line is like we can give our customer any quantity order next day. So that's the main reason actually, because it can produce one item for me in 5 minutes, so it's good. Actually, when we bought Salvagnini, we had a plan in expanding our manufacturing line to 3 to 4 more lines, but because of COVID-19, the business was affected everywhere in the world, so we could not go ahead. But now it's slowly getting better, and hopefully we will be going with some more lines in coming future. After sales service is 1 phone call away from Salvagnini. They are giving very good service actually. The service is the best. That's the reason we are choosing Salvagnini also.